Well, probably the biggest change recently is the lack of applicants. You used to not have to do a lot of search
Mm.
for some of the roles, like the software engineer, the business analyst, the project manager. I didn't have to do a lot of search. We would get a lot of applicants.
Mm.
That is not the case.
Mm.
We are searching for these people now. So that's one of the biggest. Probably the second biggest change is with the advent of LinkedIn. People can send you a resume. You can actually look at their LinkedIn profile. And technology has definitely helped a
Mm.
lot.
Mm.
We used to have to, well, when I first started recruiting for Actimize, they used a test for software engineers. At that time, they were growing the professional services a lot. So we were recruiting a lot of software engineers. And we were emailing people a test and
Mm.
asking them to take it. Well, the test took 2 to 3 hours.
Wow.
And that was one of the first things I said. I changed after about 6 months. I said, we can't do this. First of all, there's a high demand for these people. Why should I take a 3-hour test that you emailed me to get a job when I can walk across the street and get a job at someplace else?
Yeah.
And it's turning people off. I said, we got to come up with a test that they can do while they're in the office. It takes no more than 1 hour. So that was, and now with the Interview Mocha, it's even easier because I don't want to bring anybody in now and have them test while they're sitting in the office. So I want you to work with me. We'll put together a test. They can test technically before they come to the office.
Mm.
We don't have to, and then they can take it at their leisure, you know. So most of the candidates are working now too. You know, that's why we have to go out and search for them.
Yeah.
They can't be doing an all-day interview session because we've got this testing that we have to do.
Yeah.
So those are
Yeah.
probably the three biggest things.